Thank you for your interest in the Abacus Masternode hosting platform. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a Masternode using our hosting platform. Click Choose Masternode. When we launch the hosting platform, we'll be giving 50% off any Masternode hosting subscription. So it'll be a great opportunity for you to host some Masternodes for extremely cheap. Abacus offers to host many different types of Masternode coins. However, today, I'm going to take you through setting up an Abacus Masternode. Click See More. Masternodes hosted on the Abacus platform run off a 30-day hosting subscription. However, the risk is still very limited for you because we offer a no questions asked 2-day refund policy. If you're happy with this purchase, click Checkout and Deploy. All of our credit cards are securely processed through Stripe. Click Pay. So to continue our Masternode setup, let's look at this first step. We need to go to our Abacus wallet, create a new address, and send exactly 3,000 Abacus to this address. This will be the collateral for the Masternode, and it varies per coin. But for Abacus, it will be set at 3,000. Then we need to wait for 16 confirmations. So I'll take you through this process. I opened up my Abacus wallet and click the Receive tab. Then type in a label. This could be anything, but I'll call this Abacus Masternode 1. Click Request Payment. Copy this address. Go to your Send tab. Paste this address in, and as it's stated on the platform, we need to send 3,000 Abacus to qualify for a Masternode. So I'll do that. And click Send. Confirm you're sending it. Then if you go to Transactions, I need to wait for 16 confirmations, and then I'll continue. After some time, click on your transaction, and you can see I have 18 confirmations. So I'm ready to continue my Masternode setup. Click Next. Now I need to get my Masternode outputs. I need to open my debug console from my Abacus wallet. To open my debug console from my Abacus wallet, the instructions are outlined here. From the top menu, I have to click Tools, then Debug Console. Now I need to run Masternode outputs. I can see my transaction hash and my output ID. These are the only two pieces of information needed for the Abacus hosting platform to set up your Masternode. Copy your transaction hash, click Next, paste it in, and my output was 1. Click Start Masternode. My Abacus Masternode is now syncing. It will take between 5 to 10 minutes. Once your Masternode is done syncing, this page will refresh and display the correct outputs needed to set up your Masternode. I'll check on this in a minute. After your Masternode is finished syncing, you'll be redirected to this page. Here, we just need to do a few more steps, and your Masternode will be up and running. First, I need to find my masternode.conf file for Abacus. I'm using OS X. The masternode.conf file can be found in Library, Application Support, ABBA. So after opening my Finder, I'm going to Application Support, ABBA, and I can see my masternode.conf file right here. Open your masternode.conf file. Go back to the website. Copy this information. Paste it in your masternode.conf file, and make sure you save this file. Now I need to restart my wallet. I need to wait for my wallet to finish syncing. I'll know it's completed syncing when this progress bar is completely full. When your wallet is finished syncing, there's only one more step needed before your Masternode will be up and running. This step is outlined on the website. So from my wallet, I need to open my Masternode tab and right-click on my alias and hit Start Alias. So let's do that. I'll click on my Masternode tab, right-click on this alias, hit Start Alias. Click Yes. I get Successfully Started Masternode. I can see that my Masternode is enabled. This active time will display within 30 minutes to a couple hours, depending on the coin. Now if I go back to the website and click on Dashboard, I can see my list of hosted Masternodes. If I click Check Status, I can see that my Masternode has been successfully started. To track my Masternode, I'll just keep an eye on it from my wallet, making sure it stays enabled and that the active time continues to tick up within the next couple hours and into the future. So that concludes my demonstration of using the Abacus platform to set up a Masternode. As you can see, we do offer Masternode hosting for many different coins, and we will continue to offer more and more as we progress. Thank you for your interest in Abacus, and I hope you'll host many masternodes with us.